good day, Ma'am Nilda. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, good day po. My name is Nelda Borrega Granadusin. I am 42 years old. I am married and I have 3 children. I have, their age is 22, 16, and 14 years old. They are studying already right now.
Alright, thank you. Then please tell me your educational background.
I am high school graduate and I have a vocational course, healthcare or nursing assistance.
Alright, thank you. Then, where do you live?
I live in Binangonan, Rizal, Santo Niño, Bilibiran, Binangonan, Rizal.
Alright, then do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 4 brothers and I have 3 sisters and I'm the youngest of the family.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself?
Yeah, I'm cheerful and loving. I'm loving and of course I'm trustworthy person and I'm hardworking mother.
Alright, then why do you want to apply abroad?
Of course, for my future, for my family studying, schooling, and I'm for savings for my retirement someday.
Alright, then do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, I have. I have experience abroad for 2 years, finished contract as a residential cleaner.
Alright, in what country?
From Riyadh, Saudi Arabia.
Okay, so what
My
is
duties and responsibilities there is all around inside the home, housekeeping, inside all around cleaning, dusting, mopping. Sometimes I'm cooking, which when Madam asked me to help here to cook and of course washing, laundry, ironing. Then sometimes I taking care of their baby.
Alright.
Sometimes and also dusting, mopping, all around if what Madam said, if what I need to do.
Alright. Then aside from working as a cleaner in Saudi Arabia, do you have work experience as a housemaid here in Philippines?
I have work experience as a house helper here in Philippines since pandemic since 2001 to 2019 to 2021.
Okay.
I have work experience as a household helper here since 2019 until 2022. I do all around the home like ironing, cleaning, cooking, taking care of the newborn baby, and also the disabled 3 years old baby.
Alright, good. So did you finish your contract here?
Yes, I finished.
Alright, so are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, I do.
Alright, so what will you do if you become homesick?
I need to do busy my day so that I can remember the homesick so that I need to do something. I need to busy myself.
Alright, so are you scared of dogs and cats?
Not totally. I'm not totally scared.
Okay, so are you willing to take care of pets?
I'm willing to taking in care of the pets, small dog, the kind dog, and a small cat. The cat. Yeah.
Okay.
I can do, ma'am. Sir.
Okay, so how do you describe your cooking skills?
I love cooking actually. I think all Filipino dishes like that. But I'm willing to learn, mom, insert to cook whatever you want to cook me, like especially Chinese or Korean, if like that, if you want. As long as you teach me how the procedure or what I need to do, I'm willing.
Okay, so are you willing to learn new dishes
Yes,
abroad?
new dishes.
Alright, so do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Oh yes.
Okay, so do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, course.
Okay, so do you promise to be honest and loyal
Of
to your
course.
employer?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
So do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes.
So do you drink alcohol?
No, no.
How about smoking?
No, I didn't.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No, ma'am, nothing like that.
Okay, so do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
Yes, I have before. Way back on 2018, my gallbladder removed because of the stone. So I decide to remove my gallbladder, and now I'm okay and I'm strong. I can do work whatever you want inside the house.
Alright, so are you willing to share a room with the children?
It's okay.
Okay, are you willing to wake up very early in the morning or sleep late at night?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay, so are you willing to work during day off and employer will
Yes,
pay
yes.
you? Alright, so what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Okay. Hello, Mom and Sir. I'm Nelda, 43 years old. I wish you can trust me to fight. And I promise I'm willing to do my best to fulfill all duties and responsibilities inside your home. And I'm a loving mother. I can take care of your children, and I can take I can take safe inside home. I promise that I will do. I'm willing to learn all about your house rules and protocols, or your policy. I will try. I willing to follow all what you need to do. That's all. Thank you.